World Jobs News. World Jobs News is one of the best job search sites for freshers as well as experienced candidates. We are giving you the best opportunity to connect directly with the topmost companies in India as well as worldwide and an easy way to apply for their interviews, walk-ins, pool campus, off-campus drives. Why World Jobs News? For searching for the latest jobs worldwide. Once you will get registered with World Jobs News, you can get every update about IT, computer jobs, government jobs, MBA jobs, engineering jobs, marketing jobs, accounting jobs, healthcare jobs, support jobs, graphics jobs, garment jobs, educational jobs, hotel jobs, and many more jobs from different fields. It is an open platform for every candidate who is willing to set their career worldwide, though they are fresher or experienced. How freshers, experienced candidates can apply for jobs on World Jobs News. It's very easy to apply for any type of job for fresher as well as experienced candidates on World Jobs News. You just have to register with World Jobs News, then you will get updated every day with new jobs from worldwide. If you find any suitable job for your qualification, location, skill set, just clicking on the apply button, and by filling the form you can apply. Which are the highest paying jobs and how can you find them on World Jobs News? Everyone wants proper and high redemption of their work. Everyone is wishing for the highest salaries as per their skills nowadays, and World Jobs News is the best platform to find the highest paying jobs from every corner of the world. We have listed every type of highest paying jobs from worldwide, like investment banker, university professor, senior software engineer, computer hardware engineer. How can I find a job quickly? World Jobs News used to maintain all the latest jobs from each and every topmost companies in the world as well as government jobs. We also maintain all that job related information like a number of vacancies, company details, last date to apply, date of interview, syllabus for aptitude and interview, location of company, all job description, and type of work. That's why it will be easy for you to apply quickly without finding too much stuff about that company where you are willing to apply. Which is the best website for finding international jobs? World Jobs News, providing you every job notification from every country so that you can apply for the job in your favorite country to make your career. Here we have listed the latest international jobs from different countries like jobs in Gulf, jobs in Singapore, jobs in Malaysia, jobs in the Philippines, jobs in Hong Kong, jobs in Vietnam, jobs in Indonesia, jobs in Thailand, jobs in Dubai, jobs in UAE, etc. So grab this best opportunity and try to shape your career. How can I get a notification for the latest government jobs? We have information on government jobs for every qualification like 10th pass, 12th pass, BCA, B/B, Tech, MCA, B/M, Tech, MHM, MSW, BEads, etc. and for every trending posts like UPSC jobs, government jobs in state PSCs, jobs in PSUs like BHEL, ONGC, BEL, GAIL Limited, HAL, HCL, HMT, IOC, NHPC Limited, NLC Limited, NTPC, SAIL, WAPCOs Limited, government etc. So get alert of every update for fresher as well as experienced candidates. How do I find new job opportunities? For finding new job opportunities worldwide, you just have to register on World Jobs News and we will keep updating you with new job opportunities in your field and of your favorite location. This means registering for World Jobs News is a better way to find new job opportunities from every location for both the fresher and experienced candidate. How can I get a job immediately? Once you have registered on World Jobs News, it will give you notification of every latest job related to your qualification and skill. You just have to keep applying for every suitable job for you from World Jobs News. and the company will get in touch with you. If your profile will get matched with the requirements of the company, they will take the round as per their terms and select you. How do I find a job in a different city? World Job News maintains all the latest jobs of every top city of every country, so that here you can find jobs from every top location, not only from India, from other countries also. And that's why it is very easy here to find a job at your dream location and the best opportunity to get placed in companies of your favorite location. How can I find jobs free of cost? World Jobs News never takes any charge to find any type of job. It is totally free of cost, so don't miss this opportunity and find jobs of every category, every location, for any qualification, any skill set without charging anything.